Hey guys, Zippo here, and we are about to shoot a 1/2 pound Tanerite exploding target by Sure Shot. It is right there in that stump. I'm going to be shooting it with a Bushmaster AR-15 5.56. Just make sure you don't, yeah, there you go. Y'all place your bets now. You think I can hit it?
Eventually. Oh, you got a scope. You better be able to hit it.
I don't know if the scope's sighted in right. We're about to find out.
I got a red light flashing. What's that mean?
Means it's recording.
Oh, that makes sense. Yes, you can hit it. Good job, Austin.
That was alright. I think we need to go with a 2-pounder next time.
I think we need to go look at this.
Yeah, Dad's got a point. Let's go look at the stump. Set my rifle down here. Put it on. Yeah, it's on safe. Go see what she did. What?
You didn't make that very sporty.
Wasn't very sporting?
I don't think I'd mess with that scope. I think the scope works.
Yeah. Now we gotta, there we go. Put a nice crater in there. The crater was pretty much already there, but it definitely helped make it a little bit bigger. You can see shredded pieces of the jar. Oh, dang, nice. Blew out a bunch of this stump we've been using as our target, so it blew out a bunch of chunks of wood and bullets and stuff, if we can find them here.
That's the only one I see.
That's probably it. Be back in a little bit. Or hope you guys enjoyed. Either way.